Why AI cannot currently replace UI/UX design work. Here's a classic example that illustrates why AI cannot currently replace UI/UX design work. Let's consider the design of Chatbot, which is a common UI/UX design task. The goal of the chatbot is to provide users with a seamless and intuitive conversational experience. Natural language processing (NLP), AI-powered NLP algorithms can help the chatbot understand and interpret user input. However, AI may struggle with understanding complex or ambiguous queries, leading to inaccurate responses or miscommunication with users. A human designer can bring contextual understanding and empathy to ensure the chatbot responds appropriately. Emotional intelligence. Chatbots are often designed to interact with users on an emotional level. AI lacks the ability to truly understand and respond to human emotions, which can result in a disconnected and unsatisfying user experience. A human designer can incorporate emotional intelligence into the design, ensuring the chatbot provides empathetic and personalized responses. User-centric design. UI/UX design is centered around the needs and preferences of the users. While AI can analyze user data and patterns, it may not capture the full range of user behaviors, preferences, and motivations. A human designer can conduct user research, gather feedback, and iterate on the design to create a user-centric experience. Creativity and innovation. UI/UX design requires creativity and innovation to deliver unique and engaging experiences. AI, at present, lacks the ability to generate truly original and innovative design concepts. Human designers can think outside the box, push boundaries, and create designs that resonate with users on a deeper level. Iterative design process. UI/UX design is an iterative process that involves constant refinement and improvement based on user feedback. AI may struggle to adapt and iterate quickly, as it relies on pre-programmed algorithms and data. Human designers can analyze user feedback, identify pain points, and make iterative design changes to enhance the user experience. So, while AI can assist UI/UX designers in certain aspects, cannot it fully replace the role of human designers? The touch human is essential for understanding user emotions, incorporating creativity and innovation, and conducting user-centric design. AI should be seen as a valuable tool that complements and enhances the work of UI/UX designers, rather than a complete replacement.